Hi, I'm Chris Colfer, and this is Parade Rewind. When I was a little kid, I was in love with fairy tales. I just kind of imagined myself in the fairy tale world and decided then that I should take all that and put it into a book. The Land Stories, The Enchantress Returns is a sequel to my first novel, The Land Stories, The Wishing Spell. The series is about a pair of twins, Alex and Connor, that go back and forth between this world and the fairy tale world. I wasn't a big reader as a kid. I think maybe that's why kids like The Land Stories so much, because I kind of have their same attention span. I think when I was little, I didn't really know what acting and writing really was, but I knew that I wanted to be one of those kids in the movies that I watched. In high school, I used to work in the kitchen with the lunch ladies, and I would scoop chocolate chip cookies. Summers, I worked at a dry cleaner. I was a clerk, and my cousin was the manager, and she tortured me. I actually used to make funeral videos. Like whenever someone would pass away, their family would send me pictures, and I would put together like a little video slideshow. My favorite thing about playing Kurt is watching him grow, I think. I love that he's gone from this really like shy, not very much confidence, kid into this kid who's really kind of making it in New York. I try to avoid karaoke like it's the Black Plague because I have so many friends that are hardcore professional singers that whenever we do karaoke, they just turn it into a concert, and I'll get up and I'll sing and make a fool of myself like you're supposed to do, and then they'll get up and they'll just like wail respect or something, and then I'm like, okay, well that's it for me. I hope fans remember just his spirit. He was a really great human being, and I had so much respect for him. We'll always have so much respect for him, so I hope that's just what people remember.